Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. Discover effortless flight with the DJI Flip, a compact and ultralight drone designed to make aerial photography simpler, safer, and more exciting for everyone. Weighing just 249 g, the Flip doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use, letting you take off without paperwork. Built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors boost safety and confidence, making it an excellent choice for first-time pilots. The Flip's imaging system is a standout. Capture vivid, detailed photos at either 12MP or 48MP and record silky smooth 4K 60 video with 10-bit color. Its integrated gimbal keeps footage steady even in breezy conditions, giving your shots a professional finish. Photo and video enthusiasts will appreciate DNG RAW capture and the D-Log-M profile for full creative control during editing. Control is flexible and intuitive. Use the included remote for precision flight, rely on your smartphone for quick launches, or use the on-aircraft buttons and gestures for simple maneuvers. Live stream your view in crisp 1080p while exploring landscapes, documenting adventures, or practicing your flight skills. Perfect for beginners, casual hobbyists, and creative explorers, the DJI Flip balances performance and simplicity in one pocket-ready package. Note: the Flip does not include remote ID broadcasting and is not intended for commercial use. Key specs. Dimensions: 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 in. Weight: 8.8 ounces, 249 g. Camera: 48MP photos/4K 60 video. Storage: internal plus microSD-XC support. Control: included remote or smartphone app. Live feed: 1080p streaming. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. Take your creativity airborne with the DJI Mini 3, a compact and capable drone built for new pilots, travel adventurers, and everyday content creators. Weighing just 249 g, the Mini 3 doesn't require FAA registration for recreational flying, allowing you to launch quickly and enjoy the skies with fewer hurdles. Despite its small size, this drone delivers impressive visual performance. Its camera captures crisp 12MP photos and stunning 4K 30 video, with support for both widescreen and true vertical orientation, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and beyond. The f1.7 lens handles early morning glow and evening golden hour beautifully, so you can catch dramatic lighting without heavy editing. The gimbal tilts up to 60 degrees, expanding your creative angles for dynamic, cinematic framing. With GPS positioning, return to home, and the Find My Drone function, the Mini 3 offers practical safety and situational awareness, though it does not include obstacle avoidance sensors. Recreational flyers will love its simplicity. Licensed pilots can take advantage of remote ID support, available when using the extended battery, and creators will appreciate the smooth 1080p live feed in stable flight. Plus, with an impressive 38-minute maximum flight time, you get more sky and less battery swapping. Key specs. Dimensions: 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 in. Weight: 8.8 ounces, 249 g. Camera: 12MP photos/4K 30 video. Flight time: up to 38 minutes. Storage: microSD-XC support. Live feed: 1080p. Includes integrated gimbal and dedicated remote compatibility. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. Take your aerial photography to the next level with the Potensic Atom 2, a compact yet powerful drone designed for beginners, hobbyists, and professional content creators alike. Weighing just 249 g, the Atom 2 avoids FAA registration requirements for recreational use while packing features that rival larger drones. Its 4K 30 camera, paired with a 3-axis gimbal, delivers smooth, cinematic video, and it captures stills at 12MP or 48MP with raw DNG support for maximum creative flexibility. Who it's for? Beginners, the Atom 2 is ideal for first-time pilots. Its user-friendly controls, reliable flight performance, and excellent camera quality make capturing stunning photos and video simple. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, the lightweight design and stable flight make learning the ropes easy and fun. Recreational flyers, hobbyists will appreciate the 32-minute flight time and intuitive controls. With its 249g weight, there's no need for FAA registration, letting you focus on fun, scenic flights rather than paperwork. Licensed pilots and professionals. Unlike most ultralight drones, the Atom 2 comes with a built-in remote ID module, making it legal for FAA-licensed SUAS pilots to use for professional projects such as real estate photography, monetized content, or stock footage. Specs and configurations. Dimensions: 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera: 4K, 12MP/48MP, DNG support. Media format: microSD. Remote control: dedicated with app. Live video feed: 1080p. The Potensic Atom 2 delivers premium camera performance in a travel-friendly, lightweight package perfect for beginners, enthusiasts, and licensed pilots seeking a versatile 4K drone. Number 4. DJI Neo. Capture stunning selfies and scenic videos effortlessly with the DJI Neo, a compact drone designed for beginners, social media enthusiasts, and recreational flyers. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, the Neo is light enough to avoid FAA registration in the US, making it hassle-free to take on the go. Its built-in propeller guards and intuitive controls make launches and landings from the palm of your hand safe and simple, while automated flight paths ensure smooth, steady footage every time. Who it's for? Beginners. The DJI Neo is perfect for first-time pilots. Its lightweight design, self-stabilizing flight, and easy-to-use smartphone app let you focus on capturing great video instead of worrying about controls. Automated takeoff and landing make learning a breeze, and the affordable $199 starting price makes it an accessible entry into drone flying. Selfie enthusiasts, snap quick selfie videos without fuss. On-drone controls allow you to take off, capture, and land without connecting a remote, making it ideal for social media creators who want a hassle-free aerial camera. Recreational flyers. For hobbyists who enjoy casual flights, the Neo offers flexibility and fun. Fly manually via smartphone or purchase a dedicated remote for longer range and a more tactile experience. Note that professional pilots should look elsewhere, as the Neo lacks remote ID for commercial SUAS use. Specs and configurations. Dimensions: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches. Weight: 4.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera: 4K, 12MP, integrated gimbal. Media format: internal storage. Remote control: smartphone/tablet app. Live video feed: 1080p. The DJI Neo is a compact, affordable, and fun drone, ideal for beginners, selfie takers, and casual flyers looking for effortless aerial video. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. Experience the thrill of flight like never before with the DJI Avata 2, a first-person view, FPV, drone designed for adrenaline seekers, content creators, and aspiring FPV pilots. By streaming an ultra-low latency live feed from its integrated camera directly to its micro OLED goggles, the Avata 2 puts you in the cockpit, letting you navigate tight spaces, pull off flips, barrel rolls, and loops with stunning precision. This isn't just aerial photography, it's an immersive, action-packed flight experience. Who it's for? Beginners and FPV starters. Unlike traditional FPV drones that demand expert skill, the Avata 2 makes learning easier. Its motion-sensitive controller allows for intuitive piloting, while the drone can quickly brake and hover midair, forgiving small errors that would otherwise result in crashes. This makes FPV flying more accessible, even for those new to immersive drone experiences. Content creators. Capture cinematic video in 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second, perfect for high-action footage or social media content. While it lacks automatic obstacle avoidance, the drone's stability, responsiveness, and compact design let you focus on creating dynamic shots rather than worrying about constant crashes. Enthusiasts and gamers, the included goggles offer crystal clear imagery with adjustable interpupillary distance and a diopter for vision correction. For those seeking extreme stunts, the DJI Remote Controller 3, sold separately, provides twin-stick controls for advanced maneuvers. Specs and configurations. Video, 4K per 60 frames per second, 2.7K per 120 frames per second. FPV goggles, micro OLED, adjustable IPD and diopter. Controller, motion controller included, gamepad optional. Flight, agile, immersive, beginner-friendly. Safety, hover and quick-stop capabilities. The DJI Avata 2 is your gateway to the FPV world, blending exhilarating flight, cinematic video, and beginner-friendly controls into one immersive package.